EMO Hannover 2025 press preview is happening today at Frankfurt.
Yeah. How do you feel? Everything fine? And a very warm welcome to the EMO Preview 2025 here in Frankfurt. This year EMO turns 50 and so did I.
We have finally, at the end of the world tour, we have the preview, what is taking place here in Frankfurt this time. It gives the opportunity to all the exhibitors to show their products, to show their innovations, what will be presented at EMO in Hannover. And for us, it's a little bit the umbrella to inform the press about the highlights, about the need, about the reasons to come for EMO. And it's our pleasure to have you here and welcome all of you to EMO in Hannover.
Halle 3, Stand E14. Vielen Dank.
We're really looking forward to having Canada as partner country at EMO this coming year. I think it's very important, first of all, for Canadian companies in the machine tool sector, but also for all of the supporting technology companies in AI and robotics and automation and metrology, in the precision data and data analytics. And connectivity as well, that support the machine tool sector. So Canada has great strengths in that.